In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how you can fix Fortnite crashes on Windows 11. So let's get started with our first fix, which potentially could be update your graphics driver. So I'm just going to write it down. Update your graphics driver. So visit your graphic card manufacturer's website and download the latest driver, and you can download it using their instructions on their website. The next fix is verify game files. Verify game files. So launch the Epic Games launcher, go to the library tab, right click on Fortnite, select options and then click verify. Wait for the verification process to complete. The next fix is check for Windows update. Check for Windows update. So go to the start menu and click on the setting icon, click on update and security and then Windows update. Install any available updates. The next one is adjust Fortnite settings. Adjust Fortnite settings. So reduce in-game graphics settings, disable overlays from other applications like Discord or GeForce Experience, verify that your in-game settings are not causing any issues. Then we have check for background applications. So you have to make sure that you close any unnecessary applications on the background. Then we have scan for malware. Scan for malware. So this was use a reliable antivirus program to scan your system for malware. And then let me just write the background applications one as well. Closing background application. Okay. Then it's the last option, if none of these work, is to reinstall Fortnite. So you have to uninstall Fortnite from the start menu and then reinstall it from the Epic Games launcher. So alright guys, that is basically all the things that could go wrong and the reason your Fortnite is crashing. So that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.